Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
OWI Robotics has some worthwhile toys that can teach, pack plenty of fun, and have no screens necessary. The company's Cyber Hand has been winning awards. It's an oversized robotic hand for kids 8 and up to build, and it's priced at under $30. In the same price range as the Agent992 Robot kit, which is electronic with LED lights and navigation. Marketing Manager Daniel Ramirez says there's a line of solar kits as well.
It gets kids to go outside. In addition to learning about renewable energy sources, we have one called the solar battery top fuel Dragster. That one actually has a battery and a solar panel, so it's kind of a hybrid.
There's more in the lineup at OWIRobot.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.